Okay, so the first type of factorizing we did was highest common factor. Second type is grouping, okay? Now grouping, it still is the same as highest common factor, but you have to group terms together, okay? So you're going to group the ones that have similar things. Normally, it's the first two and the second two, okay? So what is common to 2AB and 2AC? 2A. 2A. That comes outside a bracket. Now, 2A by what gives me 2AB? B. Lovely. 2A by what gives me plus 2AC? C. And is it a plus or a minus?
Plus.
It's a plus C. Good? 2A by what gives me 2AB? 2AB. Okay? Now let's look at these two. 3bx plus 3cx. What's common? 3 and x. Is it a plus 3x or a minus 3x? A plus 3x, because if it was a minus, you'd have said it. Okay? So plus 3 and x. Now, 3x by what gives me 3bx? B. 3x by what gives me 3cx? Plus c. This will always happen. If this doesn't happen, you've done something wrong. Okay? Do you see the way your bracket is the exact same? The way you finish this sum is you put the outside in a bracket and the inside in a bracket. So the 2a goes with the 3x and then b plus c. Okay, you just always do that. The 2a goes with the 3x and then write down the bracket. I'll do another one of those now. This is your answer. That's it, factorized. The 2a and the 3x and then the b plus c.
Would it not go into if you put first number, second bracket?
If you do first number, second bracket, second number, second bracket, you get back here. If you multiply it all out, you get back there. Remember, multiplying out is the reverse of factorizing. So we're trying to do the opposite here. Okay? Okay, here's my second sum. Okay. 3ax minus bx. What's common?
3x.
There's a number, it's 3, and there's a letter, it's x. Lovely. So 3x is common.
Oh, because
That's a b. bx. So, oh, that's a b. I just said it myself. Sorry. X is common. That's a b, not a 6. Okay, x is common.
If it was a 6, would it be 3?
Yes. Yeah. Are you okay?
Is it always the first two common?
Yeah, I'm going to show you one now where we'll have to rearrange it. But normally it's the first two and the last two. But you can move things around, but we'll do that in a minute. Okay? So, sorry, what is common to these two? It's just x. What am I left with here? X by what gives me 3ax? 3a. X by what gives me minus bx? Minus b. Excellent.
Wait, are they two different questions?
Yeah, this is part 2. What is common here? Y. Now, if I take y out, what will be inside the bracket here? It'll be minus 3a. I don't want a minus 3a, do I? I want it to be the same as this. I'm going to show you a little trick. Rewrite this here, because you know they're going to be the same. See the way they were the same up here? You know they're going to be the same. And let's work backwards. 3a by something gives me minus 3ay. Is that it? 3a by something gives me minus 3ay. Minus y. Good. Now let's double check, because we're not sure. We did the little trick, so we need to double check. Minus y by 3a is minus 3ay, and minus by minus plus y by b is by. So I'm correct. Okay? So you're doing your check here to make sure your signs are right. Minus by minus is a plus, b by y is by. So my final answer, put the two outsides in a bracket and put down the bracket. Okay? Outsides in a bracket and the inside in a bracket. Yeah.
Another way that you have to do the trick.
Yes.
Do you do it like normally, like if you didn't realise that there was something wrong and then finish it and then realise there's something wrong and then
Come back up and fix
do
it.
from there?
That's totally fine. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, part 3. Can I get rid of the board? Okay, let's try this. Is there anything common to those two? Careful. 2. And 2 by what gives me 6x squared? 3x squared. 6 is 2 by 3. And 2 by what gives me 2a? A.
Is that not just 3x? Because x plus x is x squared.
X by x is x squared.
How do you get 3x squared? Oh, because 2 by 3x squared is 6x.
Lovely.
Oh.
What is common here? And what else? Minus. What am I going to be left with? Minus x by what gives me minus 3ax? Minus x by what gives me... No, I'm okay with this. Minus by 3ax is minus 3ax. Minus x by what gives me minus 4x? Is it going to be a plus or a minus? Minus by plus. Now, look at this. Exactly. What happened here? They're supposed to be the same. So this does not work. That means you need to try rearranging it. Remember, someone asked me a minute ago. Okay? That means we need to go back to the question and rearrange.
Is it because they're not the same?
Exactly, because the brackets aren't the same. I can't do my normal. Now, can we try and rearrange this, please? What would you like? Let's leave the 6x squared there. Yeah, let's try and put the things in common. So the 6x squared and the 3ax, I know have numbers and letters in common. So let's do that. Now, sometimes I think it helps if you actually start factorizing this first before you write the next ones out. Okay? So, if we start factorizing this, what is common to these two? X and 3. So 3x. 3x by what gives me 6x squared? 2x. 3x by what gives me minus 3ax? A. Good. And how do I get the minus? Minus a. Okay. So in the brackets, I want 2x and minus a. Don't I? Now, I have plus 2a and I have minus 4x. Am I going to put the minus 4x first or the plus 2a first?
No, plus 2a. Plus 2a. 2a brings 2x and 2a and 2x. You do it in order, don't you? Yeah, 2. It's 2a. No, it's minus 4x.
Why is it the minus 4x?
Because the first one is...
Because
Because 4x like 2a is...
I'm putting the minus 4x because the first thing in the bracket is the x. Exactly. Good job. If I put the 2a first, I'm going to be left with an a here. But I don't want an a here, I want an x here, don't I? Yeah. So let's put the minus 4x. Now, you could try it with the a first and see that it doesn't work, and then swap it around. That's fine. So I've decided I'm putting the minus 4x first and then the 2a, and now I'm going to see what's common to them. What is common to them? 2. Okay? Now, I'm not sure whether it's going to be a plus or a minus 2. Sure I'm not. Let's do our trick. Write this down. Now, 2x by something gives me minus 4x. So what's this? Minus 2. Good job. Because the 2x by the minus 2 gives you the minus 4. Let's double check. Minus 2 by minus a is plus 2a. Minus by minus is a plus. Plus 2a. Okay? So I'm right. Now, put the outsides in a bracket and put the insides in a bracket. And there's my answer.